Today, today is the last class about contract costing. So in this class, we have to try to solve some another types of problems. So in the last class, we have discussed about preparation of contract account and balance sheet. And if there is a trial balance, then the balance sheet of a contract in case of contract account. So both the side assets and liability, this must be equal. So similar practical sum today we have also discussed. So let's try this. The following is a trial balance of Premier Construction Company engaged on the execution of contract number this for the year ended 31st December 2001. So this is the trial balance. So trial balance means both the sides, you see, both the sides are equal. So okay, শুনা পাইছা নহয়? শুনা পাইছা না?
Sir.
So contract is account 3 lakhs, amount received against 75% of work certified. So contract account means 3 lakhs we have received, which is 75% of work certified. So that means work certified is 100%. So this is the amount of 75%. Building, this is assets, so that's why debit side. Then creditors, credit side, bank balance 35,000, capital account 5 lakhs. Then material, wages, expenses and plant. So these informations are given. The work on contract number 747 was commenced on 1st January. Material costing 1,70,000 was sent to site of the contract, but those 6,000 were destroyed in an accident. So you see material how much? 2 lakhs. So out of 2 lakhs, only 1,70,000 were used in the contract. That means baki jitu ase hetu tomar balance sheet ahibo. But in contract account we should show only the 1,70,000. But 6,000 were destroyed in an accident. So if there is any destroyed or loss by fire or loss by accident, so this should be transferred to costing profit and loss account. So it is in credit side of contract account. Wages 1,80,000. So wages 1,80,000 in the trial balance also. So 1,80,000 were paid during the year. Plant costing 50,000 was used on the contract all through the year. So you see plant how much? 2,50,000. Total value of plant is 2,50,000. So out of 2,50,000, 50,000 is used for the contract for whole year. That means it is the end of the period also. Then plant costing 2 lakhs was used from 1st January to 30th September. That means 9 months. So 50,000 plant which is used for entire period, that means for whole year. And for 2 lakhs, so it is used only for 9 months. So that means we have to charge depreciation for both the plant. So one for 50,000 and another for 2 lakhs. So for 2 lakhs amount, depreciation charge for only 9 months. And was returned to the store. Material cost 4,000 were at site at the end. So closing stock of material. Contract was 6 lakhs and the contractee pay 75% of work certified. Work certified was 80% of the contract price. Okay, work certified was 80% of work certified. So 6 lakhs is our contract price. Work certified how much? 80%. That means 80% work has been completed. So that means 2/3 of notional profit is to be transferred. Uncertified is also given 15,000. Expenses were charged to contract account at 25% of wages. So expenses, you see expenses how much? 47,000. But in contract, only 25% of wages were charged. So wages how much? 1,80,000. So 25% of 1,80,000 is how much? 45,000. So that means at contract only 45,000 were charged. That means excess 2,000. As a whole, 47,000 was charged. In the contract, 45,000 has been charged. So excess 2,000. So it should be adjusted. So it is an expenses. So expenses are deducted from the profit. So if there is no profit, so then on this profit, this excess amount 2,000 will be deducted. Plant depreciate 10% for the entire year. That means for whole year, 10% is to be charged. So you see, there are two types of plant. One for 50,000. So entire 10%. So 50,000 over 10% कोई लिखा होगा 5,000. Next another 2,000 or 2 lakhs. So for 2 lakhs, 10% is charged 20,000. So it is for 9 months only, because plant is used only for this month. So 9 months it is 15,000. So 5,000 plus how much? 15,000. So total how much? 20,000. So 20,000 depreciation was charged. But you see, plant is to be depreciated 10% for the entire year. So total plant is how much? 2,50,000. Okay, but at the contract we have charged only 20,000. So excess 5,000. So it should be adjusted with profit. So again, this 5,000 is to be deducted from profit and loss account. Prepare contract account and make out balance sheet as on this in the books of Premier Construction Company. So we should start the contract account. So in contract account, you see material costing 1,07,000 were site, 6,000 destroyed, wages 1 lakh. So this amount, not this amount. So material how much? 1,07,000. You see, material 1,07,000, wages 1,80,000, and expenses. So expenses in a trial balance is 47,000, but 25% of wages has to be charged. So 25% of 1,80,000, it comes to how much? 45,000. So then depreciation of plant. So 5,000 for 50,000, and on 2 lakhs, 10% for 9 months, it is 15,000. So total 20,000. So in credit side, work certified how much? 80% of contract price. Contract price is how much? 6 lakhs. So for 6 lakhs, 80%. So it is 4,80,000. Works uncertified is also given. So our work uncertified is how much? 15,000. So certified, uncertified. Okay. So you see there is a loss, material costing 1, and 6,000 are destroyed, which I have already told. It is transferred to profit and loss account. So 6,000 it is transferred to profit and loss account. It means costing profit and loss account. So loss by accident. How much? 6,000. And closing balance of material 4,000. So totally. So notional profit how much? 90,000. Notional profit CD BD. So to profit and loss account. Notional profit 90,000. 2/3 of notional profit is transferred into cash received by work certified. So cash received was like 3 lakhs. Cash received is how much? 3 lakhs divided by work certified is how much? 4,80,000. So it is 37,500. So work in progress is of 50,500. So in this way, contract account is to be prepared. Next, you see the balance sheet. So in balance sheet, liability side, capital account is there. Then profit and loss account. So profit and loss account, how much? 37,500. So from this profit, there is a loss. You see, 6,000 loss by accident. So this loss is to be deducted. Then unabsorbed expenses, which I have already told. The expenses how much? 47,000. Then the expenses is 47,000, and in contract 25% of wages has to be charged. That means 45,000 we have charged. The excess 2,000, so it should be adjusted. So it is deducted from profit. So it is called unabsorbed expenses, 2,000. So similarly, depreciation of plant. So total plant is how much? 2,50,000. So on 2,50,000, 10%, 25,000. But we have charged how much? 25,000 only. That means excess 5,000. So it used to be deducted from profit. Okay. Then creditors is there. So 70,000 creditors. So these are in liability side. Asset side. Asset side you see. First one is some but 1,60,000. 1,60,000. It is building. Then bank balance, material wages and plant, So like that. So closing out key side from have a building. So building plant in store. So plant in store is how much? Total plant. Total plant how much? 2,50,000. Okay. So out of this 50,000 is used at the site for entire period. So that means 50,000 এতেও আছে তার। So store কি মান আছে তাহলে 2 lakhs, but out of 2 lakhs 10% depreciation charge করলে মনে হয়। So 2 lakhs টাকা 10% minus করে কেমন হবে 1 lakh 8,000. It is called plant in store. Then material in store. So material কি মান আছে রিটার্ন material costing মান material at site কি মান আছে material costing 4,000 at site. So material costing 4,000 at site. So দিলা then work in progress certified uncertified. So material in store 30,000. এইটো এইব না মেটেরিয়াল কিমান আছিল 2 lakhs হয় না ৰতন। So এটা দুটা বস্তু আছে এটা হল তোমাৰ প্লান্টটো তোমাৰ কি হয় এটা সাইটত থকা এটা ষ্টৰত থকা টোটাল মেটেরিয়াল আছিল কিমান 2 lakhs. So out of 2 lakhs 1,70,000 has to be used in the at the site. So it means 30,000 remaining. So it is in store. So wages 47 we have already adjusted. Expenses 47 I have already adjusted. Plant so 2 lakhs is in store. So 2 lakh in store. 2 lakh in store. So out of 2 lakhs 10% minus for 1,80,000. So these are in store. Ako site to ase site to ami pisot korim. So program store kin dilalo. Then work in progress certified uncertified less reserve then less contract account that means cash receipt minus pay by kilo. It is site of jikhini ase material site kiman 4,000 planted site kiman asile 50,000 asile tar 10% minus kora. So 5,000 minus kora 45,000. Then lastly the bank balance. It is current assets that's why it is at the end. So bank balance 35,000. Now total it. So total this. So in this way, the contract account and as well as the balance sheet when there is unabsorbed expenses, then loss by fire, by accident. So these informations are given. So then next you see. Next you see compute a conservative estimate of profit on a contract which is 80% complete. So estimated profit, that means we have to calculate the estimated profit. So estimated profit, how it is calculated? So from the total contract price we should deduct the expenses to date. This is called estimated profit. So contract is how much 80% complete from the following particular illustrated by various methods of computing the profit. So different methods we have to use. So আমি যে ফর্মুলাটা দিছিলাম যে ফর্মুলা 6টা মান ফর্মুলা আছে। So these formulas are to be used. So for the purpose estimated profit is to be calculated, the notional profit is to be calculated. So both the estimated profit and notional profit are to be calculated. Expenses, you see total expenditure to date is 85,000. Estimated further expenses to complete the contract including contingencies. So estimated further expenses 17,000. Contract price 1,50,000. Work certified this, work not certified 8,500. Then cash receipt. So first of all we should calculate the notional profit and estimated profit. So how it is calculated? So first of all you see calculation of estimated profit. So estimated profit, how it is calculated? So expenditure to date, you see total expenditure to date how much 85,000 it is given. Then estimated further expenditure how much 17,000. So total expenditure, so total expenditure minus contract price. From contract price the expenses to date is to be deducted. It is called estimated profit. So you see total expenses, then estimated further expenses, so 1,02,000. So our contract price is how much? 1,50,000. So difference is called estimated profit. So total expenditure to contract price minus কৰি দিবা, এইটো হ'ব তোমাৰ estimated profit. তোমাক যেনেকৈ কৰা তোমাৰ নিজৰ ষ্টাইলত এনেকৈ কৰিবা যে contract price তোমাৰ লিখিলা less total expenditure to date. The inner column 85,000, the estimated further cost 17,000, the outer column লৈ যোৱা 1,50,000 পৰা এইটো minus কৰি দিয়া, এইটো হ'ব সেইটো তোমাৰ estimated profit. Next, notional profit is calculated. Notional profit, work certified and uncertified. So contract account তুমি ভাবা contract account credit side কি থাকে work in progress certified uncertified তার closing balance কি থাকে তারপর আমি expenditure কো minus করব না. So similarly here also first of all work certified and uncertified. So from this total amount total expenditure to that is to be deducted. So you see computation of notional profit. So value of work certified is given how much? 1 lakh. Work not certified 8,500. Okay, value of work certified, then work not certified 8,500. So totally, so from this total expenditure to date, so expenditure to date how much? 85,000. So this should be deducted. So ইয়াত তোমাৰ এইটো কনসিডাৰ কৰিব নালাগে আৰু is the estimated further expenditure to date. So this is not comes under notional profit. It is my estimated profit ক্ষেত্ৰতে আহিব, notional profit টো নাহে. So work certified তাৰপিছত uncertified দুটা total কৰিলা তাৰপৰা expenditure to date 85,000 minus কৰি দিয়া, সেইটো হৈ গ'ল তোমাৰ notional profit. Now apply the different formulas. So various method of computing profit. Number 1, so profit is equal to প্ৰথম ফৰ্মুলাটো আছিলে estimated profit into work certified divided by contract price. Estimated profit 51,000, work certified 1 lakh, as total contract price 1 lakh, so 33,300. Second formula, estimated profit into work certified by contract price into cash received by work certified. 51,000 1 lakh by this, cash received 81,600 1 lakh. Third formula, estimated profit into cost of work to date divided by estimated total cost. 15,000 into cost of work to date 85,000. It is given 85,000. Our estimated total cost, the total of this. Estimated total cost how much? 1,02,000. So it is 42,500. Next formula, estimated profit into cost of work to date divided estimated total cost into cash received by work certified. So it formula ke cash received by work certified to last of total ahi গৈছে. So it koi pala kiman this amount. Next pichor to formula asile notional profit. So notional profit into work certified by contract price. Notional profit into work certified by contract price this amount. Next ako notional profit into 2/3 into cash received by work certified. So 2/3 to আমি কি গান লৈছো because 80% complete হৈছে 80% complete এখানে আমি 2/3 লৈছো যদি 80% নহলে হয় তেতিয়া আমি 1/3 লম notional profit into 2/3 into cash received by work certified is equal to 12,704. So in this way this sum is to be completed. This sum is to be calculated. This is an arithmetic type question. This question is arithmetic type question. So here only the calculations are required. No need to prepare the contract account because okay, preparing the contract account there is no sufficient information is given. So this is one of the question. With the hot quiz, a similar type of problem is this. Similar type of practical problem. So here you see an expenditure of 1,94,000 has been incurred on a contract to the end of 31st March 2020. Expenditure, total expenditure how much? 1,94,000. The value of work certified 2,20,000. The cost of work but not yet certified, uncertified is given. It is estimated that the contract will be completed by 30th June and an additional expenditure of 40,000 will be incurred to complete the contract. So same way, total expenditure available by totaling this to the total expenditure to that. The total estimated expenditure on the contract is to include a provision. You see there is a provision of 2.5% for contingencies. So So this must also be considered. The contract price is 2,80,000 and 2 lakhs has been realized in cash. Calculate the proportion of profit to be taken into profit and loss account as on 31st March. Okay. Proportion of profit to be taken into profit and loss account as on this under different methods. So here total contract price how much? 2,80,000 and certified how much? 2 lakhs. Same way. এতিয়া তোমাৰ নচনেল প্ৰফিটটো ওলোৱা নাই, তোমালোকে নচনেল প্ৰফিটো ওলাই ল'ব পাৰা। দুটা ফৰ্মুলা আহিব, প্ৰথমতে আহিব যে কেলকুলেশ্যন অফ এষ্টিমেটেড প্ৰফিট। এষ্টিমেটেড প্ৰফিট কেনেকৈ কৰিবা চোৱা, টোটেল এক্সপেণ্ডিচাৰ কিমান আছিলে 1,94,000, এই এডিশ্যনেল এক্সপেণ্ডিচাৰ 40,000 দিয়া আছে আগৰ নিচিনাই কি, আকৌ 8 প্ৰভিজন ফৰ কণ্টিজেঞ্চিজ। চ' প্ৰভিজন ফৰ কণ্টিজেঞ্চিজ কিমান দিছে, total expenditure, estimated expenditure on the contract is to include provision for contingencies. So it is the demand expenditure of the 2.5%. So put it expenditure, expenditure and additional expenditure. Both are expenditure. Total expenditure how much? 2,34,000. So on 2,34,000, 2.5% contingencies law. 2.5% contingencies law. So it is low at also sava. Yet I 97 and 97 to buy 97 half আমি কি কানে কনসিডার কৰিছো, আমি ল'ব লাগিব টোটালটোৰ ওপৰত 2,34,000 আমি ল'ব লাগিব টোটালৰ ওপৰত, আমি টোটালৰ ওপৰত ল'ম 2.5% কন্টিজেন্সিজ, কিন্তু আমি 100% নকৰি 97 কি কানে কৰিছো, because the actual expenditure to date is how much, 1,94,000, not this one. Okay, actual expenditure this one, not additional expenditure. So this means 2.5%. It is 100% no seller. 100% is for total amount. 100% is for total amount. We should ignore the contingencies. So this one, 2,34,000. This is exclusive of provisions and contingencies. Remember it. 2,34,000. This is exclusive of provision. তামান ধৰিলে তোমাৰ টোটাল যদি 100 হয়, provision যদি 2.5 হয়, exclusive of provision, exclusive expenditure, exclusive provision কিমান হ'ব 97.5. এই যেটো 2,34,000 দি আছে, this is for 97.5, মানে excluding provision. এটো গতিকে provision কিমান হ'ব, তো 97 আমি কনসিডাৰ কৰিব লাগিব, ক্ৰস মাল্টিপ্লাই হ'ব নহয়, so 2.5 divided by 97.5 into 2,34,000, so এটো কৰিলে আমি কাম 6,000. So total iman, so contract price is 2,80,000. Therefore, estimated profit was contract price minus expenses, total expenses. So it is how much? 40,000. So similar notional profit is to be also calculate. So work certified. So work certified is given or not? Work certified. How much? 2,20,000. So work certified and uncertified. Work certified and uncertified. Less expenses, 1,94,000. So the bottom notional profit. So then you by using different methods. So profit is equal to estimated profit into work certified by contract price. So estimated profit is 40,000 divided by this. Second formula, third formula, fourth formula. It's a better again. So notional profit is equal to pasta formula is equal, sota formula is equal. অংকটো ভালকে কৰিবা, কাৰণ এইটো অংক এবাৰ পৰীক্ষাত আহিছিলে কোনোবা এটা বছৰ। হ'ব না? So thank you. So just for কিবা সুধিব লগা আছে নেকি কথা? এইকেইটা ভিতৰত কিবা সুধিব লগা আছে নেকি? তিনিটা অংক দিছিলোঁ। প্ৰথমটোত আছিলে যে বেলেঞ্চ শ্বীট বনাই, ট্ৰায়েল বেলেঞ্চ আছিলে, বেলেঞ্চ শ্বীট বনাইছোঁ। তাৰপিছত দুটা এৰিথমেটিকেল প্ৰব্লেম, এৰিথমেটিক টাইপ প্ৰব্লেম। তো য'ত তোমাৰ কি হয়, এষ্টিমেটেড প্ৰফিট আমি কেলকুলেশ্যন কৰিছোঁ, নচন প্ৰফিট আমি কেলকুলেশ্যন কৰিছিলোঁ। এষ্টিমেটেড প্ৰফিট যেতিয়া কেলকুলেশ্যন কৰিছা, তেতিয়া তোমাৰ এষ্টিমেটেড ফাৰ্ডাৰ এক্সপেঞ্চেছ এটা আমি কনচিডাৰ কৰিব লাগে। বাট ইন কেছ অফ নচন প্ৰফিট আমি এইটো কনচিডাৰ নকৰোঁ। তো নেক্সট চামটো কি, এইটো কেৱল ইয়াত প্ৰভিজন দিয়া আছে। এই প্ৰভিজনটো যিটো আমি যিমানৰ ওপৰত কৰিম, চ' দিছ ইজ এক্সক্লুচিভ অফ প্ৰভিজন আমাৰ। চ' সেইকাৰণে আমি 97 লৈছোঁ। শুনিব লগা আছে না? তাৰপিছত ইউনিট 4 তোমালোকৰ আৰু জব কষ্টিং এটা আছে, জব কষ্টিং, তাৰপিছত প্ৰচেছ কষ্টিং আৰু ছাৰ্ভিচ কষ্টিং। চ' জব কষ্টিঙৰ প্ৰেক্টিকেল এনেকৈ তোমালোকৰ দিয়া নাই, তাত থিয়ৰি চাবা, ডিফাৰেঞ্চ বিটুইন জব কষ্টিং এণ্ড কণ্ট্ৰেক্ট কষ্টিং, হোৱাট ইজ জব কষ্টিং। তো তাত থিয়ৰি আৰু জব কষ্টিংটো প্ৰায় তোমাৰ কষ্ট নিচিনা একেই, কষ্ট যেনেকৈ কৈছে তেনেকুৱা অংক। তো আমি যদি সময়ৰ পিছত কৰা মতে বাকী প্ৰচেছ কষ্টিংটো কৰা। চ' এতিয়া কণ্ট্ৰেক্ট কষ্টিঙত যিমানখিনি অংক কৰালোঁ তোমালোকক, সেইখিনি অংককে ভালকৈ চাবা। আৰু তোমাৰ 3টা কণ্ট্ৰেক্ট থকা আছে বা 3 বছৰৰ কৰা আমাৰ অংক আছে। চ' এইটোতো ইমান বাৰু আজিলৈকেতো দিয়া নাই, ইমান দীঘল অংক নিদিয়েও, সেইকেইটাৰ ভিতৰতে দিলে দিব। চ' এইকেইটাকে তোমালোকে ভালদৰে প্ৰেক্টিছ কৰিবা। ত' কিবা যদি অসুবিধা হয় মোক সুধিবা পিছত, হ'ব?
হ'ব ছাৰ। হ'ব ছাৰ।
হ'ব দিয়া, মই আজি আহিলোঁ হা।
হয় ছাৰ।
এই গাটো ভাল লাগি থকা নাই সেইটো কাৰণে। হ'ব দিয়া, মই এক্সিট কৰিলোঁ দেই।
হয় ছাৰ।